Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the right-click menu on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade right now for free into Windows 11 if you would like to. Of course, the upgrade from 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or any apps from your PC. The only things that's going to be changed is your Windows from 10 into 11. And of course, you can run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. Especially if you have a good PC, you will not even notice the difference. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC, and when you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. So, of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want, unless you deleted it. So make sure to do not delete it if you have some doubt that you would like to go back. So maybe you're facing some issues, which is not most likely to happen, or you maybe just like Windows 10, and of course, I bet you'll like even 11 better if you get used to it. So as we said, is we would like to change the right-click menu on Windows 11. So how can we do that? So of course, when you right-click on the Windows, as you can see, we have this Windows 11 right-click menu, and maybe for you, you didn't like it. So of course, if you want to go back into like the Windows 10 menu, right-click menu, you have to click Add Show More Options, and that will show you the old one. So of course, if you want to change it, and when you right-click, you have to open the Windows 10 one directly. Simply, you'll have to click at Shift with your in your keyboard, then right-click, and that's, as you can see, will open this for you directly. Of course, if you right click normally, it will open this, and if you shift and right click, it will open this one. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.